Okay, this is to calibrate the pH meter with a pH probe connected to it. So we'll just press these two buttons to calibrate. Okay, so that's calibrated to pH 7. Now we'll take this and clean it out in distilled water. And put it in pH 4 to calibrate, to perform a 2-point calibration. So pH 7 first and then pH 4. So right now it's reading 4 point. It's trying to stabilize. Okay, we'll just do a calibration. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty close. 3.91. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll disconnect the BNC connector from here and connect it to this, which is connected towards this shielded cable going in. So it's all shielded and it's going to this Fairgrade box, and in this we have our INA116 instrumental amplifier. So let's see what kind of readings we'll get from this. I will get back once I connect all this in the next video. Okay, so now that we have disconnected our BNC connector from the pH meter, and that was after calibrating with the pH 7 first and then pH 4. So after the calibration, the pH probe is inside a pH 4 buffer solution, and it is connected through this BNC connector, and then we have a shielded cable going in, and it's right there. We have a connection right there, and that's the input, positive negative input going to our instrumental amplifier INA116. The supply voltage, I'm supplying 7 volts, plus minus 7 volts. In the data sheet it shows as they have a measurement system diagram, pH or ion measurement system diagram with this chip, and they're using plus minus 15. But that should not, this amp can perform plus minus 18, the range of plus minus 18, so we are okay. And then, so now if you come to the scope, in focus. We can see we got, now there is a little bit of fluctuation, as you can see, so it's like jumps. It was stable for a while, and I got so I let it sit. I got a reading of about 1.5 volts out. So based on that, I calculated so you can see 1.5, and then our gain was 11.49, set to 11.49, so we got 130.5 millivolts that was getting inputted. And then before that we got it stopped at 1.4, so it is changing with time, and our input was about 121 millivolts. Now I will, so let's just say, yeah, it is a jumpy, it's fluctuating up and down, but let's go here and actually change it to pH7, see what we get. First clean it out. So now this is in pH 7 buffer solution. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, so I'm trying to wait for it to stabilize at some value. But that's, as you can see in the beginning of when I moved up here, it was showing like 200. So it is jumping a lot. Not sure why it is doing, it's not stable. Actually, if you think about it, the pH 7 you should get about close to, ideally should be close to 0 millivolts. So it is getting down, which is a good sign. But that's the ideal situation. Practically there will be some variance. So okay, there we go. So almost around 0, close to it. Alright, we'll do some more testing, trying to see why, try to figure out the fluctuation in the signal, see if we can minimize that. But for now, this is where we stand at the moment.